Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me. In today's very special video, I've partnered with FabFitFun for the big return of my Fit Friday series, where I cover everything in health, fitness, wellness, just good, positive living in general. And today is going to be my very first FabFitFun unboxing. If you're unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal box which sends you products in beauty, health, wellness. It retails for $49.99 but has a value of over $200. And if you make your purchase using my code Domesticated40, you will get 40% off your very first box. There are many reasons why right now is a great time to subscribe to FabFitFun, one of which is that you can now customize your boxes, so the products that you are getting will be perfect for you. You will love it and enjoy it all season long. Also, I know that this box in particular has mostly women-owned businesses featured in this box, which I'm really excited to check out. And this box is also in support of the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. The actor started this foundation with his wife Nikki Reed, and it is a youth-focused environmental nonprofit. So yes, I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. How fun is this box? This is the FabFitFun Editor's box. So here is a little magazine that's included with all the boxes. Little cute articles like Eat Seasonally, Trust Us, It's Really Good For You. How the box is curated, and it of course has information about the products featured, but I'm going to set that aside because I want to be surprised. And it includes a little note that says, at FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. The gift that keeps on giving, the gift of FabFitFun.com. Redeem this code for $10 off your first FabFitFun. Ooh, I can share this with a friend. Love that. I'm also getting a gift card to HelloFresh. Very cool. I see a product. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff. This first product I'm seeing right here is by Tarte, and it's their drink of H2O, which is a hydrating boost. Look at that beautiful, fun, wavy packaging. It says here, your skin looks thirsty. Treat yourself to this tall drink of H2O, formulated with essential oils, hyaluronic acid, and our proprietary Rainforest of the Sea antioxidant complex. The cooling water gel texture never feels greasy, and it leaves your skin looking hydrated, supple, and ready to take on everyday aggressors. Drink up. And here is that drink of H2O. I don't know about you guys, but in the winter and the summer, my skin gets very dry, so I'm really looking forward to using this. Ooh, and I love these gel moisturizers. They just apply like water. Check that out. Ooh, and it smells really good. Oh, that smells really nice. Very nice. There's a little box right here, and it is strengthening nail and cuticle serum, and it's 100% natural. I am in desperate need of this, so I'm really looking forward to this. It says apply 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily. I'm gonna put this on right now. I love the look of long nails, but the powders, the gels, the fake nails are not so great for your actual natural nail. So mine are in desperate need of TLC. So, it smells really nice. So yeah, I had to take a break, and they're super short and thin and breaking and cracking and just awful. So this is gonna come in really handy. And it smells really good. I like that. This is from Lavido, inspired by nature. This is their aromatic body lotion, and it has the scent of mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Oh, let's try this. Ooh, oh, I just love the scent of citrus in the warmer weather. Oh, it just reminds me of like Italy and Spain. Oh, that's really nice. Doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. Love that. Yeah, I really like that. Ooh, the next product is by Murad, and it is their Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. I am all about eye creams right now. This one says Ultra Nourishing Eye Cream firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Advanced peptides and retinol increase elasticity and visibly minimizes lines and wrinkles. Eye Brightening Complex reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, younger looking eyes. I need that. I'm a big dark circle sufferer, so this will come in handy. And this is what the packaging looks like. This whole area just smells so good right now. I wish you could smell it. All right, the next one is by Ahava, and it is their Leave On Dead Sea Mud. Ooh, Dermud Intense Foot Cream, dry and sensitive skin relief. Again, perfect timing. I love how they curate these boxes. They really put a lot of thought through what is in season, what is trending, and what is needed. And foot creams definitely needed now that we are all starting to wear our sandals out, wear them all day. I'm in New York City. We walk all day, all night for miles. So having a good foot cream that will help moisturize and keep your skin looking and feeling good is a plus. It says Dermud Intensive Foot Cream, dry and sensitive skin relief, powdered by Osmotor. This calming mud-enriched intensive foot cream deeply nourishes and treats dry, rough, and cracked soles. Massage into feet until fully absorbed. I can't believe there's still more products here. I mean, these are really good quality. These are like well-known products. This isn't just some like random brand. You know, we got Tarte, we have Murad. So I can't believe there's still more, but there is still more. Also, I have to mention everything is super well packaged, so you don't have to worry about any of your products breaking or spilling or anything like that. The next item is by Ish, and it is hashtag I'm Smoking Hot Palette. I'm Smoking Hot Palette is a day to night palette with 10 shades that include perfect mattes and shimmers. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, talc-free, vegan. Okay, I actually do know Ish. I use their mascara and it's really, really good. Ooh, really nice packaging here. This is covered in like a blue film to protect these letters. Oh my gosh, which I guess is like metallic. Very cool. All right, so this is the palette. I've never seen a palette open up like this. That's pretty cool. Ooh, we're getting really lovely neutral colors, but with shades of like pink and purple. Very pretty. These are beautiful. Yes, this will take you from day to night. I love a good palette that you can put in your purse, take it to work, and then just use that same palette to do your work job, your work look, your cocktail look, your evening look, dinner look. Love that. Very pretty, and I really do love the packaging. On this side, you have a nice little mirror here. And then these are the shades. Again, really pretty. I feel like these shades would work on just about everyone. You have matte and you have shimmery and metallic. Very, very pretty shades. Still more products in here. This one is a box and it says Summer and Rose, a place for everything. And it's a ceramic tray. This is so pretty, you guys. And it kind of matches my phone. Okay, so pretty. Let me show you. How beautiful is that? I love the geometric shapes to it. The beautiful rose pink coming through and the gold, the metallic gold lines. Very pretty. And I'll show you, kind of matches my phone case. So I love that. So pretty. I love trays. I feel like I can never have enough trays. I have them in every room. I have them in my office. I have them holding my favorite products, holding my jewelry, holding my nail polish. Have them everywhere. Can't have enough trays. All right, and last but not least is a travel case. Look how pretty this looks. So this is by the brand Yumi Kim, and I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but it's so pretty. It's pink, floral with gold toned hardware. So pretty. So you hold it like this and then it unzips all the way around. I love that because it means it's gonna open up really well. Bam. Oh, I love these. These are the kinds that you can hang up. So if you're staying in a hotel, you can put all your stuff in here, and then you can hang it the back of the door. So you have a zippered pocket here, another big zipper pocket here, and another big zipper pocket here. You can use this for your toiletries. You can use this for your makeup, for your brushes. You can use this for all kinds of things. Very, very handy. And because it's plastic and like vinyl, it's really easy to wipe clean. So really love that. And again, it's just so pretty. All right, and that was everything that came in my FabFitFun box. I love this box. Again, I'm going to list every single product in the description box below. I always do that along with the price for each item so you can see the total value of your box. Again, this box retails for $49.99, but if you sign up using my code Domesticated Me, you can get 40% off. But regardless, this is still over $200 worth of products, so it is a major bang for your buck. I love that. And I mean, again, these are not just random brands. These are all well-known brands, really great quality products, and stuff that you will actually love and use, which is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Let them know about this amazing subscription service because it is great, and give them my coupon code so that they save a little money when they sign up as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a detailed review about any of the products featured here. If you want me to do a follow-up, if you want me to do more of these, let me know. Or just say hi, ask any questions, make any requests. You guys know that I love to hear from you. And of course, if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and click that little bell icon and make sure that your notifications are on for always, because YouTube has been getting a little weird and not sending out notifications. So make sure that you have that notification on set to always so that you get to see my videos as soon as they come out. I make videos about beauty, fashion, travel, vlog, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.